how to fix Valorant client problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, first just type here services, and then just scroll down until you find here VGC. Right click and go to properties and make it automatic and click apply and OK, and then go to device manager, and after that just make sure to update display adapters. Right click and update driver, and also network adapters and processors, and that's it. And after that go to your Windows security settings and click here virus and threat protection, and then go to manage settings here and scroll down until you find exclusions. Click add or remove, and then click add an exclusion file. Now you need to find this one. As you see, you need to find Riot Games folder and then go to Valorant live shooter game binaries and Win64, and here's it, Riot Games Valorant live shooter game binaries Win64, and scroll down until you find here Valorant. Click open, and that's it. Now just restart your PC and you will find that all your problems is fixed, and see you in the next video.